Kaya ang warning ko, sa lahat, sabi ni Pinoy, parang walang nangyari. Sige, pumasok ka sa droga, Pinoy, pag hindi kita pinutulan ng ulo, buang ka. Ano walang nangyari? Gago ka mga generals mo, yung aid mo. Yung aid ni Rojas, puro na sa droga, konektado. Number 1 dyan, yung bata ninyo, si General Luot, isa pa yung ulol na yan. I mention his name during pinatawag ko sila. Kaya kung nandito si Luot, putang ina mo, huwag mong takot-takutin, General ka. It binds everybody. And I am ready to face the consequences. If it means death, so be it. If it means going to prison, ang problema yan. All you have to do is to read. Wala man rin akong problema sa lamok because hanggang ngayon, even if you go to Malacanang, nagmumuskitero talaga ako. So I can just rub my whatever part of my body. Sige lang ako basa. Basta yung ang sabi ko. Panahon ko, ayaw ko yan. So take note kayong mga kriminal, madali talaga kayong mamatay. Kasi kung nandiyan kayo, ako naman sa police, stricto ako. But if they are really there, fighting, kung magkakaso, then you can read in the newspaper how I would react. Naturalmente. Pag sinabi ko, destroy the apparatus, tapos sabihin na ito ang nangyari siya, nag-serve kami ng ano. You know, yung search warrant, yung binibira nila kay that is really for convenience. Because a warrant of arrest can really be served any time of the day or night. Yung sabi, preferably on daytime. But kung ang operation ng Shabu is not carried on during daytime because there is light, the police can go there anytime convenient for them to arrest. And I will stand by the police there. Wala naman nagtatransaksyon, nag-unload ng Shabu ng araw in public view. That's crazy. Huwag kayong sumunod yan. I will answer for it. I will say I ordered it. Bakit ito na yung police would be stupid enough to carry on a Shabu business? Daylight? Be crazy. Yung pagkaganon, huwag ka na lang magtrabaho. Tulog na lang kayo. You must at least give them the... At saka at the first sign of violence, pagkaganon, patayin mo. Tama mo yung sinabi ni I would rather see dead criminals than... Puta, may pamilya rin ito. Ito sabihin mo may pamilya yung pinatay. May mga pulis pala. Wala. Yan yung mahirap dyan because they look at criminals as itong human right, itong mga human rights guys, they look at criminals if they are saints. Parang walang kasalanan na sumari na pinatay. Gago itong sa... Kaya masakit ang salita ko sa kanila. Ibubo eh. Kung ganun kakabobo, paano matindihan trabaho ng pulis, trabaho ko?